চর্যাপদ তিব্বতী ভাষায় কে অনুবাদ করেন? কীর্তিচন্দ্র। কোন কবির মৃত্যুর মাধ্যমে বাংলা সাহিত্যে মধ্যযুগের সমাপ্তি ঘটে? ভারতচন্দ্র রায়গুণাকর। খনার বচন কোন যুগে সমৃদ্ধি লাভ করে? মধ্যযুগের শুরুতে। কোন ঔপন্যাসিকের 4টি উপন্যাস একত্রে সংকলিত হয়েছে শতবর্ষ নামে? রমেশচন্দ্র দত্ত। বাংলাদেশের দক্ষিণ অঞ্চলের আঞ্চলিক কথ্যরীতি বা উপভাষার নাম কি? বাঙালি। কোন বর্ণে মাত্রার উপর ভিত্তি করে 6টি মাত্রাহীন বর্ণ রয়েছে? ব্যঞ্জন বর্ণ। অতঃপর শব্দের মূল শব্দ কোনটি? অনন্তর। নিচের কোন বানানটি শুদ্ধ? তরুদ ছায়া। কোনটি শুদ্ধ বানান? বামুন। বাংলা উপন্যাসের জনক বলা হয় কাকে? বঙ্কিমচন্দ্র চট্টোপাধ্যায়। শনিবারের চিঠি কি ধরনের সাহিত্য পত্রিকা? হাস্যরসাত্মক। বাংলা ভাষায় মৌলিক স্বরধ্বনির সংখ্যা কত? 7টি। ভাষার ক্ষুদ্রতম একক কোনটি? ধ্বনি। নিচের কোন শব্দটি নিত্য সমাসের উদাহরণ? একটি মাত্র। হেলায় সুযোগ হারিও না বাক্যে নিম্নরেখ শব্দটি কোন কারকে কোন বিভক্তি? করণে সপ্তমী। লোকসাহিত্য সংগ্রহে অবদান রেখেছেন কে? দীনেশচন্দ্র সেন। আগুনের সমার্থক শব্দ কোনটি? অনল। সাধু ও চলিত ভাষার পার্থক্য কোন পদে বেশি দেখা যায়? ক্রিয়া ও সর্বনাম। কোন শব্দটি শুদ্ধ বানানে লেখা হয়েছে? ত্রিভুজ। কোন উপসর্গটি বাংলা ও তৎসম উভয় ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহৃত হয়? সু। নিচের কোনটি মহাপ্রাণ ধ্বনি? ঢ। অভয়া চরিত্রটি শরৎচন্দ্র চট্টোপাধ্যায়ের কোন উপন্যাসে রয়েছে? শ্রীকান্ত। তৎসম শব্দের ব্যবহার কোন রীতিতে বেশি হয়? সাধু রীতি। সমাস ভাষাকে কি করে? সংক্ষেপ করে। একাদশে বৃহস্পতি অর্থ কি? সৌভাগ্যের বিষয়। Which of the following is the analogy of worship sacrifice? Prediction, allegory. Antonym of the word abjure. Espouse. Which of the following is the opposite of the word inhibit? Encourage. Select the term that contrasts intricate. অপশন খ, গ এবং ঘ তিনটি সঠিক। Antonym of the word flagitious is innocent. The term Alacrity is same as enthusiasm. Complete the sentence with appropriate word. The aspiring candidate's performance in the debate all but dash any hope he may have had of winning the election. শূন্যস্থানে হবে nullifies. Pick appropriate word and complete the sentence. Philosophical problems arise when people ask questions that, though very dash, have certain characteristics in common, diverse. Fill up the gap of the sentence. I am accustomed dash playing living. Choosing right preposition. 2. Fill up the gap of the sentence. We must not approve dash such a conduct, selecting appropriate preposition. Of. Choose the correct replacement of the underlined portion of the sentence. If I would have known about the traffic jam at the bridge, I would have taken the alternate route. Had I known about. Which of the following sentence is correct? He agreed to my proposal. Identify the correct sentence from the following. Option G. The mobile set is almost the same as mine. Which underlined part of the following sentence has an error? The most difficult job is to bend and then lifting the weight. Option C. Select the appropriate word for expressing the sentence one who cannot be corrected. Incorrigible. Decision that cannot be taken back. The sentence can be expressed by which of the following word? Irrevocable. Which of the following spelling is correct? Adulteration. Choose the correct spelling from the following. Option G. What is passive form of the sentence? We teach him a good lesson. He is taught a good lesson by us. Which of the following words is not a singular? Agenda. The phrase down to earth means realistic. Which of the following is correct? 20 miles is a long distance. At arm's length means very near. Choose the indirect speech of Rohim said, I must post the letter. Rohim said that he had to post a letter. 2 to the power 12 plus 2 to the power 12 plus 2 to the power 12 plus 2 to the power 12 equal what? Option G, 2 to the power 14. Which of the following is not equal to 0.0675? অপশন ঘ 0.00675 into 10 to the power 2. If 3x plus 2y equal 8 and 2x minus 2y equal 2, then find the value of 4 minus 3x minus 2. In a group of buffaloes and ducks, the number of legs is 24 more than twice the number of heads. What is the number of buffaloes? 12. An employee may claim taka 7 for each kilometer when he travels by taxi and taka 6 for each kilometer when he drives his own car. If in 1 week he claimed taka 900 for traveling 135 kilometer, how many kilometers did he travel by taxi? 90 kilometer. A school has a total of 90 students. There are 30 students taking physics, 25 taking English, and 13 taking both. Approximately what percentage of the students is taking either physics or English? 47%. The average temperature for the first 4 days of a week is 40.2 degrees Celsius and that of the last 4 days is 41.3 degrees Celsius. If the average temperature for the whole week is 40.6 degrees Celsius, then the temperature on the 4th day is 41.8 degrees Celsius. There are two numbers where the sum of twice the first number and thrice the second number is 100, and the sum of thrice the first number and twice the second number is 120. Which is the largest number? 32. The interest charged on a loan is P per taka 1000 for the first quarter 3 months and Q per taka 1000 for each month after the first quarter. How much interest will be charged for the first year on taka 10,000? 10 into P plus 9Q. X sells an item to Y at a profit of 28% on his cost and sells the same item to Z at a loss of 25% on his cost. If Y thus sold the item to Z a taka 2 less than the item to X, then what is the cost of the item to X? Taka 50. A salesman receives daily wage of taka 250 and earns a commission of 15% on all sales he makes. How much taka worth of sales does he need to make in order to bring his total daily income of taka 1000? 5000. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. 40 km per hour. A man's investment doubles in every 5 years. If he invested taka 5,000 in each of the years 2010, 2015, 2020, then what will be the amount received by him in 2025? In a family, the father took 1 by 4 of the cake and had 3 times as much as each of the other members had. The total number of family members is 10. In 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. If A is now 9 years older than B, then the present age of B is 39 years. A natural number, when increased by 12, equals 160 times reciprocal. The number is 8. The mean of the data set of 1000 item is 5. From each item, 3 is subtracted and then each number is multiplied by 2. The new mean will be 4. The measurement of a rectangle is 16 feet by 12 feet. What is the area of the smallest circle that can cover this rectangle entirely so that no part of the rectangle is outside the circle? 100 pi square feet. The perimeter of rectangle is 200 meters. The breadth is 3 by 7 part of the length. What is the length? 70 meter. In the figure, D is parallel to BC. If the area of a triangle ADE is half that of trapezoid DECB, what is the ratio of AE to AC? Which of the following countries is the closest competitor of Bangladesh in the global RMG business? Vietnam. Which one is the second highest mountain on the earth? K2. 1 kilometer is equal in 2.21 IBS. According to the Global Zero campaign, all nuclear weapons will be dismantled by 2030. What is the name of the currency of Ukraine? Ukrainian hryvnia. How many times has the Shark Summit been held in Bangladesh? 3. Which country or countries are separated by the Red Cliff Line? All of those. Qatar is located in Western Asia. The first all Indian emperor of ancient India was Chandragupta Maurya. Which of the following is or are Bretton Woods institution? Both A and B. The headquarters of IDA is located in Washington, D.C. Which of the following is the hardest rock? Diamond. Which one is the top country in terms of per capita greenhouse gas emission? USA. The first indigo revolt was introduced in which district of Bangladesh? Jashore. Who wins Ballon d'Or 2022? Karim Benzema. Who is not captain of the Football World Cup 2020 team? Neymar. The Sustainable Development Goals consist of dash goals. 17. The 7th March speech of Bangabandhu, the father of the nation, was recognized as part of the world's documentary heritage by UNESCO. The famous satire Gulliver Travel was written by Jonathan Swift. COP27 was held in Sharm el Sheikh, Egypt. RAM belongs to which kind of memory? Main memory. The amount of time a message takes to traverse a system is called latency. Which one is the first program of Microsoft? MS-DOS. Computer monitor is also known as VDU. Which one of the following stores more data than a DVD? Blu-ray disc. A modem is connected in between a telephone line and a communication adapter. A channel for communicating across a boundary between two or more subsystems is known as interface. The process of copying files to CD-ROM is known as burning. RTGS is a payment system. Which technology is used by cryptocurrencies? Blockchain.